customers that have the tail painter since last year, and when they put away the tail painter, the roller has gone hard with paint. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate what to do to pull out the R pin and take out the shaft. Get a screwdriver and lever out the roller like that. Take out the roller and get a screwdriver or a knife and just give 5 minutes cleaning. Clean off all the old paint. Make sure you clean all the groove out. Once it's all cleaned, get a new roller and put in the roller, shaft through, put back in the R pin. That roller now will work every bit as good as the new one.